So, to find an Airbnb location in 2025, you first have to go to airbnb.com, the website I'm in right now, or open the Airbnb app. In the search bar, type your destination, then select your travel dates, and add the number of guests. After that, click on search. Use filters to narrow results. Choose price range, property type, number of beds or bathrooms, and amenities like Wi Fi, kitchen, or pet friendly. You can also use the map to explore rentals by the area and see exact locations. Look at the guest reviews, ratings, and host info for trust and safety. When you find a place you like, click on it to view the photos, rules, and cancellation policies. If it fits your needs, click Reserve or Request to Book. Enter your payment info and confirm your reservation. The Airbnb will send you a confirmation email with all the details. Make sure to message your host for the check in instructions before arrival and should be all done.